Hi guys! Have a nice day and thank you for watching Buhay sa Dubai TV Morning Show! At ngayon guys, marami po tayong pag-uusapan kasi matagal po akong nawala. Okay, so marami po tayong greetings mamaya. At kung ano-ano pa, but then, before we start guys, alam ko po na malapit na po ang Ramadan. Okay, so I already shared one video I had, I think it was 2 years ago or 1 year ago na I have the do's and don'ts during sa Ramadan dito sa Dubai. So please guys, do watch that and I will definitely share the link on my description box, okay? And then soon, I already invited some of my friends, okay, na nakilala ko sila from YouTube. They were a vlogger here in Dubai that will be making a series of videos, okay? Siya po ay walang iba kundi si Joe Mix. Hi Joe Mix! Okay? So gagawa po kami ng parang it's a video about discovering Dubai, okay? So parang this is a series of videos about what are the things in Dubai for you to understand. Let's say, I will be talking about different kind of NOL cards we're using in Dubai Metro. Ano yung reasons or explanations of different colors of Dubai taxis. At kung ano-ano pa. So we will going to start from the culture on how to count 1 to 10 in Arabic. What are the common phrases used na dapat mong matutunan for Arabic language, and a lot more. So until hanggang sa mga restaurants, hanggang sa mga tourism spots, and a lot more na maaari naming pag-uusapang dalawa. So I'm really looking forward na nakita niyo po siya dito in my channel, okay? And also, guys, I would like to share one drink to all of you today. Okay, sa lahat po ng mga kabayan na dito sa Dubai, of course guys, all of you are very aware of Laban, di ba po? This is actually a famous and popular yogurt from Saudi. Okay, based sa research ko. But then, ang alam ko na super sarap daw na yogurt is yung Iranian or Irani yogurt. Is it correct? Or Iran yogurt. I don't know kung place ba talaga tinutukoy nilang Iran or something like that. But then, guys, just to give you an idea, yung Laban po is actually kakaiba yung lasa nito because this is actually a yogurt. Okay, so in short, this is a healthy drink because it contains good bacteria, di ba? So alam naman natin yung yogurt is a good producer of good bacteria para sa ating tummy. Okay, but then the difference about Laban po kasi is ano siya? Para siyang salty na maasim na lasang panis. Okay? So the first time I tasted it, hindi ko talaga siya gusto. I don't like it as in, okay? But then, I understand kasi nung sabi ng ilang mga friends ko na talagang healthy siya, na maganda talaga siya sa tiyan, na mas maganda siyang alternative for milk. Kasi, pampatibay daw siya ng tuhod at kung ano-ano pa. So ngayon guys, papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung magiging tsura ko, okay, if I'm going to drink this. So I'll give you yung parang description. Okay, tama ba yun? I'm going to explain to all of you kung ano yung lasa ng Laban drink. If I'm gonna drink it live, okay. Actually, binili ko to kayo nasa supermarket and nung nandun ako, wala silang stocks. So, inantay ko yung truck na dumating for delivery. Sabi niya, can you wait for 5 to 15 minutes? Sabi niya, our delivery van is coming, ganyan. So, talagang inantay ko siya. Yung amoy po niya, actually, yung brand kasi nito Almaray. So, this is available to other brands as well. Pero sa smell, wala siyang amoy. Actually, lasang hindi ko maintindihan. Pero okay naman yung amoy. Okay, so, ilawin natin. Well, I don't know if there's something different about this. Kasi yung first Laban na natikman ko is talagang sobrang maalat. I think, yun kasi yung parang may pula tsaka blue eh. Yun yung mga nakalagay sa box, yung packaging nila. So I think correct me if I'm wrong ha, I think yung red, yun yung medyo maalat. Tama ba? Yung isa naman yun yung natural. At hindi naman siya lasang panis. Okay lang. Okay, and of course, singit muna tayo with some greetings, guys. Gusto ko pong batiin si Edith Ginto. Hello sa'yo. And also to Ramil Villarmil. Okay, na most of the time nakikita ko lang siya, nagla-like lang siya ng mga post ko. But then, hindi talaga siya nag-comment. But then, hello sa'yo. I'm sure na-surprise ka, no? And of course, to all of my followers na talagang until now, patuloy pa rin po akong pinapanood. Ayun, thank you so much. Thank you so much po talaga sa inyo lahat, guys. And especially for understanding that sometimes I cannot be available on a daily basis para gumawa po ng vlog sa inyong lahat. Okay?